This is Michelle Goldman with AOC2 Week 3. This is my date planner app, and we'll just go through quickly the view controller header file. You can see where the add event view, which is the second view here, delegation is happening, the text view itself here, and the add event button. I remember the screenshots for the project, we had a text that was showing up here, which I had, but then was having a problem having it overwritten by the actual events that I was adding in. So I actually removed that so it would not, it wouldn't create a problem visually by having the events show up right after that. And then our add event action, view controller, implementation file, okay, so we have our did save. So when we are actually saving the event from the add event view controller, it is actually passing, being able to pull that from here. That's where that delegation is happening, to be able to pass it from the two views. And then when we click on the add event, that's going to take us to that second view. Okay, just like so. Alright, so that's what that part is. Then when we go to our second view, when we want to add an event, we've got our text field here where the text will be entered in. We click here, keyboard comes up, my first event. Okay, close keyboard. So that closes that, to be able to select the date and time, and then to be able to save. So it's all of our elements there for the date picker, close keyboard, save button, and then the actual actions, the saving, closing of the keyboard, and the changing of the date. I still have issues in trying to get the date formatted the way that I want it to, and after a lot of research, going through previous videos from AOC1 and looking out on the internet, could not get my formatting to take. I tried every possible way to format it and still could not get anything other than the format that is here. So that's an obstacle that I still struggle with. Everything else is working. I was even able to get spacing. So my second event. We'll just pick another date and say save, and figured out putting the spacing in for that just with the /n by putting an additional one here. That's creating that spacing in between the events so they're not right on top of each other. So we'll just go through the add event view control implementation file real quick. Formatting the date once it's selected from the date picker, and this is I guess where I'm having that issue. No matter how I format it here, I'm not getting the formatting that I would like to have. The on change, which we had to have the minimum date of now, so that when you come here and you pull up your date picker, it's going to start at today, the time and date it is for right now, and that's our action right there. And then the actual saving of the event. Now let me show this. We didn't actually put anything in here, and if I click on save, there's our alert that shows that we do need to add an event description. Although it does bring me back out to the main screen, and I feel like it really should just dropped me back here. And wasn't quite sure how to make that happen, but would like to learn how to do that. And then just for the default time zone, and put that coding in here, and then the close keyboard to design first responder.